Mercedes-Benz added length, interior space, luxury, and comfort to its GLS SUV. Its sleeker appearance is because the SUV is literally more streamlined for improved aerodynamics. Mercedes says an optional active suspension will scan road surfaces and make improvements to adjust handling as needed. The massive SUV comes with either 7 or 6 luxury captain's chairs, and Mercedes says the third row will seat people up to 6 foot 4 inches tall comfortably. In addition to luxurious materials, the interior also gets a giant panoramic sunroof, and backseat passengers get a tablet to control climate and entertainment. Up front, there's touchscreens and the latest version of Mercedes' MBUX infotainment system. The GLS comes standard with a 6-cylinder engine. A V8 with a mild hybrid system is optional. The usual complement of advanced safety features come standard, as do some unique ones. For instance, pre-safe sound is designed to reduce hearing loss from a crash. The GLS is also future-proofed with the equipment necessary for vehicles and infrastructure to communicate with each other someday. Optional driver assistance features include a lane change assist and a system that can automatically steer to avoid hitting a pedestrian. The GLS has been a strong competitor among full-size luxury SUVs. We look forward to buying the latest version and then putting it through our testing process to see just how it stacks up against new models like the BMW X7. For more on luxury full-size SUVs, check out consumerreports.org.